Introduction to Natural Resources. Natural resources are useful material identified by people, and they fulfill people's needs and enhance their well-being. Usefulness of resources are identified by culture and technology. Culture, a way of life which a group shares. For example, the Penan tribe, a group of hunters and gatherers living in the tropical rainforests of Borneo, build houses using wood from the forests. Technology, past water buffaloes, and simple tools used to plow the field and till the land. Now plowing rice fields using machinery, power tillers and combine harvesters today. Natural resources are useful materials found on Earth, produced by natural processes. Examples include water, wind, and solar energy. One example is the use of solar energy in solar panels. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic or PV panels, are devices designed to convert sunlight into electricity. They are composed of numerous solar cells made from semiconductor materials, typically silicon. Renewable and non-renewable resources play a crucial role in our daily lives. Renewable resources, like solar and wind energy, can be replenished naturally over time. Non-renewable resources, such as fossil fuels, are limited and can eventually run out. It's important to understand the difference so we can make sustainable choices for our future. When sunlight strikes these cells, it generates an electric current by causing electrons in the material to become excited and move, a process known as the photovoltaic effect. Natural resources are classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are materials that are replenished naturally. Their amounts are unlimited, with examples like water, wind, and solar energy. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that may not be replenished naturally. Then, the natural processes occur very slowly, and amounts are limited. Examples include coal and crude oil. The sustainable use of resources ensures that we meet our current needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. By understanding the differences between renewable and non-renewable resources, we can make more informed decisions about how to use them wisely. The use of these natural resources is influenced by people's views. Human-centered views are ways of viewing the physical environment as useful because it provides materials for people's use and benefit. Nature-centered views are ways of viewing the physical environment as being valuable in itself and not because of its usefulness to people. To ensure sustainable use of natural resources, actions must be taken by people to ensure that natural resources we have on Earth today continue to be available for future generations. To use natural resources sustainably, we need to practice conservation and manage carbon footprint. These conservation measures include the 4 R's of reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Reduce involves using fewer resources and generating less waste. Examples include the following: bringing your own reusable shopping bag instead of using a plastic bag. Turning off the lights, fans, and electronic devices when not in use. Alright, let's dive into the fascinating world of reuse, recycle, recover, and technological development. These concepts are super important for conserving our resources and protecting our planet. So, stick around and let's explore how each one plays a crucial role in our daily lives and future sustainability. Reuse refers to using items multiple times instead of throwing them away. For example, donating old clothes instead of throwing them away. Printing on both sides of paper to use it efficiently. Recycle includes converting used materials into new products. Examples include recycling paper to make new notebooks and newspapers, recycling aluminium cans to make electric wires. Recover involves extracting useful materials from waste. Examples involve extracting metals like gold and copper from old mobile phones, collecting nutrient-rich fertilizers from food and plant waste, which are decomposed by bacteria and fungi in a compost bin. Technological development can lead to the discovery of more efficient uses of natural resources so that our environmental footprint can be reduced. Environmental footprint refers to a way of measuring the land area that is required to make a product for people's use and to absorb the waste generated in its production. For example, people can buy or rent solar panels placed at their homes' rooftops to generate electricity.